Today you guys are going to be using the Rainbow Plants article to answer some reading checkpoint questions. So before we read the article again, here are the questions you'll be answering after reading today. What do plant roots do? Do they keep plants in place, carry water to the branches, or hold seeds? What does a tree trunk do? And we're not going to do this one because it says label the tomato seeds and then color them. And you guys don't actually have this at home to label and color, so we'll skip that one. And then the other question is, what do seeds do? So there's 3 questions that you guys will be answering after listening to the article again today. So let's go ahead and read it one more time. Rainbow plants. Nibble, nibble, the bunny eats carrot leaves. It does not know that the carrots under the ground are many colors. Plants can be as colorful as a rainbow. Every part a rainbow. Think about the job each part of the plant does. Plants have different parts. They can be the colors of the rainbow. Rainbow roots. Carrots are roots. These are yellow, orange, red, pink, and purple. You can plant carrot seeds that grow into rainbow carrots like these. Roots have a big job. First, they keep plants in place. They also suck up water from the ground. Plants need water to live. Rainbow trunks. The trunk of this tree has so many colors. It has pink, orange, blue, and green streaks. A tree's trunk is its stem. A tree trunk has a big job. It carries water from the roots up to the branches. The water goes out to the leaves. They get a drink. Trunks also hold leaves up high so they can get sunlight. Rainbow fruits. These tomatoes grow in bright, vibrant colors. Some have lumpy, funny shapes. Many people think tomatoes are vegetables, but they are fruits. Fruits have a big job. They hold the seeds. You can't grow a new plant without a seed. Rainbow seeds. Look at the rainbow corn kernels. So many different colors of kernels are on one ear of corn. Did you know that corn kernels are seeds? Seeds have a big job. People plant them in the soil. Rain waters them. Sunlight shines on them. They sprout, and they grow into a new plant.